Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
You know, I don't understand the philosophy of 2 plus 2. I mean, really, it could be 22. Not 4, really, do you understand? You know, like, half the buttons on the Super Remote Control doesn't even work. If I want to watch channel 40, I can't. I have to go to 44, and then press down 4 times to get to 40. That's bullshit! I never really understand the point of why people wear sunglasses inside when there's clearly no sun. Am I right? I work at Panera, you know. We sell bread.
Yeah, okay.
Or when they wear them upside down. I look like a bug. You look like a buzzy bug. Bug. Eyebrows. Peculiar things, eyebrows, yes. Can you move your eyebrows? Like this. Oh, like this. Like that. Cool. But I think of all ways, this is the most fashionable and efficient way of wearing sunglasses. It's a blind spot, get it? Sour skills, yeah. Be a good one. Cool. So I bought these very gummy, delicious vitamins called One-A-Days. Now, on the back it says directions. Adults and children 4 years of age and older. Chew 2 gummies daily. 2 gummies, 1 a day. The irony of that, isn't it? I'm pretty sure other people are going to watch this video and think that I'm doing some hardcore drugs. I'm not. This quarter says Pennsylvania. Get on my level, biatch. Oh, shit. Sometimes I really just don't get why or how I have friends acting like this. But the ones I do have are the greatest. Love you guys!